Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, job opportunities from 3 companies. So let's get started. Before going into a main content, a small request, those who are visiting channel for a first time, our channel provides our latest job updates time to time. So please do subscribe channel. As we discussed, 3 company views. First, Micro Focus, they are hiring for software engineering positions. In order to apply for this position, viewers, required education experience, bachelor's or master degree in computer science, information system or equivalent can apply for this position. Typically 0 to 2 years work experience is needed. Knowledge and skills, experience, understanding of software system, design tools and languages, good analytical and problem solving skills, understanding of design for software system running on multiple platform types, understanding of basic testing, coding and as well as debugging procedures, very important point, good written and verbal communication skills, mastery in English and local language. Interested candidates can apply for this position. I am going to provide link in description. Next job opportunity from JKT, a high IQ company. They are hiring software engineering trainee positions. In order to apply for this position, eligibility criteria, BE, BTech, MCA candidates can apply for this position. 2021 passed outs. Eligibility criteria, in 10th plus 2 diploma, candidate need to secure more than 65% marks. Candidate should not have any pending backlogs at the time of appearing for JKT selection process or joining time. Very important point, should not have any standing backlogs. History of backlogs are accepted. Okay. Graduation with minimum 65% marks. So, he or she need to clear graduation with 65% marks. Maximum 1 year gap is permitted after 12th, not after 10th or in between semesters of education. Interested candidates can apply for this position. Work location is Bangalore. In the same notification, even they clearly mention regarding compensation also, as it is a trainee position. In training, for first 6 months salary is 10,000 for MCA students, for BTech different compensation and as well as annual cross CTC is 3,50,000 per annum and as well as 50k as retention bonus amount. So, interested candidates can apply. Expectations are hands-on knowledge in at least one programming language with knowledge of available libraries and framework and their usability, ability to effectively convert design into coding, very important point, own your code, ability to develop detailed understanding of code impact on module, know-how of tools like debugging tools, profilers, etc., proficiency to follow an optimized approach towards coding, readiness to take up challenging tasks with flexibility around language and technology. Soft skill required, which includes obviously candidate need to be a good team player, quick learner, excellent communication skills both written and verbal in English, comprehension ability, can do better approach with eye for improvement, go getter attitude with knack of doing things differently. So, this point is very important point, go getter attitude with knack of doing things differently. I am going to provide link in description, so please do refer once. Next job notification from Alpha Plus, they are hiring for executive positions. In order to apply for this position, viewers, required education qualification, BSc, BSc IT, BE, BTech or other technical graduates can apply for this position. No prior experience is mandatory. If you have an experience, added advantage but not mandatory. In-depth knowledge of various SQL, Oracle databases and hardware is required. Proficiency in deploying web-based application, sound skill of software troubleshooting and diagnosis, excellent analytical and on-spot thinking ability. A very important point, basic computer skills including email writing is a must. Sound communication, interpersonal and documentation skills, ready to travel across the country for client side implementation at least 2 to 3 times in each month. So, this point is very important. Who are ready to travel can apply for this job. We had at least 2 to 3 times in each month. Willing to acquire in-depth functional knowledge of APT software product. Interested candidates can apply by entering your first name, last name, email ID, valid phone number and attach your resume, and you can apply for this particular position directly on Alpha Plus Tech career site. I am going to provide 3 important links in description. Through link you can apply for particular position if it is matches to your profile. Hope this video is useful for you. Viewers, please to like the video so that it will reach to needy people who are in search of job. Thank you very much and all the best for your upcoming interviews. Please to subscribe Adira Job Creation YouTube channel. Hit bell icon to receive all latest job updates time to time.